Today in this video I'm going to show you how to enable or show followers on your Facebook without wasting time, so let's start it. Open your Facebook app on your Android phone. Tap on the main menu or three lines bar, select the settings and privacy option, then tap on settings option. Scroll down on the settings page and then tap privacy settings under the privacy section. Scroll down, then click who can send you friend requests and select friends and friends. Back after selecting, then tap public post under the privacy section. You should see who can see your followers on your timeline. There are three options available: public, friends and only me. Tap the public option to show followers. On Facebook, you should see who can see your followers on your timeline. There are three options available: public, friends and only me. Tap the public option to show followers. On Facebook, then select public post comments and tap on friends. Then can you see the public profile info? And tap the public option. Back and go to your Facebook profile. If you don't show your followers on your Facebook profile after doing these, please follow my step, don't skip the video. Click on the three dots line, then click on Edit Profile. Then click on the Edit button in Details. Then scroll down and select the Followers option section and save it. Thereafter go back to Facebook profile and refresh the FB profile. After that you can see the followers button showing on your Facebook profile. If you like my video, you must like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel.